Our training scheme aims at imparting technical knowledge to young people who are aspiring to be professional technicians. We impart knowledge, skill, and attitude so that they can be able to cope with the challenges of modern technology on vehicles effectively. It's giving them very good hands-on practical experience on issues that are out of ordinary. We are working as a team. We've organized ourselves into various sections and we are working together to ensure that we beat the deadline. It is quite a challenge, I agree, but with many hands we are able to cooperate and work better. We are working together with other departments as well within the organization to achieve our objective. It helps the apprentice students to be able to think outside the box because they are able to look at work from different angles because every day things don't look the same. It helps them to understand how far we've come from to appreciate modern technology. We wish to present a finely finished car in terms of workmanship. We wish to present to the world a case scenario of a car that indicates the Mercedes brand as a very durable brand, so that we are able to compete with the other vehicles and prove that Mercedes is a very durable car and present a very technically well prepared vehicle.
The older versions were not that complicated when we were being made. So as long as you have the manual, it won't be that hard. But it has challenges.
A vehicle like this has been grounded for quite a while. So getting some of the parts out in the vintage models have very basic engineering input and technology, so it's not as challenging for me as a technician to get the measurements right.
It's quite interesting working on such a car. Get nice to know about more cars. Maybe I can have one in future.